Comes in nice packaging, just in time for the show. Purple, purple. It matches my purple. What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today is an exciting day. We're going to be installing a Billet oil catch can in my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. And this one's going to be purple, just like my Jeep wrap. I say Jeep wrap because the paint's white. All right, let's do this unboxing. Yeah, let's go ahead and get at her. We're gonna remove oil catch can I have right now. So, all right, let's go. Got this straight from the States. It took about 3 months to get in. 3 whole buckaroonies. Let's check this baby out. Comes in nice packaging, just in time for the show. See, this has a bigger carrying capacity here. That's what I like about it. Some mesh, right? Oh, right. Hoses and purple fittings. So a tool set there. I don't think we'll need it. Okay, so that's all. Take that off. Alright, back inside. Okay. Look at the size difference on this. Alright, 5,000 kilometers is about full. At least this will get me to a 10,000 kilometer oil change. That's the key. So once you do the oil, you switch it out, right? This way you gotta check it. But this still works. So, just personal preference. That's all. Alright, so we remove that. Okay, we're gonna place it here. So we're gonna need a 14mm wrench for these screws. Alright, those are out. Oh, so we'll need 2 wrenches. Okay, we'll get at her. Pitter patter. Boom. There we have it. Now I have one washer on one end. Both of them on that side. I don't know if this is 2019. It did not fit in the space between the computer. So we're just gonna go with that. It works. I don't think it's gonna move. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and install our little tube doohickeys and we'll be set to go. So we had to move this thing up a bit to clear this bad boy. Put this in first. Sounds like a great idea. Alright. Good. Okay. There. These ones. Alright, so we're going to measure like this, and we're going to call it that. Right here. I'm alright. Purple doohickeys. Boom. Alright. All right, done. Installed the Billet technology oil catch can on my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Pretty easy, eh? Not bad. I like the setup. I like the purple. I like the purple, right? Purple with the purple. Purple on purple, okay? Easy install, nice and clean, and it's ready for the show. We're gonna clean this up, head over to Mopar's Berry on Saturday, and go hang out. Go hang out, all right? Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.